Okay. If you can move the pipe, you move it. Some of them hard to move, but that's why I have this tool to move it. So you cut it like this. Always you gotta put it in like this. Yeah. So that side is a little bit tight. Go down straight. You use your tools. You push it down. You see? You see how nice it is from the back? Then when you finish, you put it back. So I'm trying to slice some pieces in here because it's tight. Yeah, but I gotta get the insulation there. So you see? That's why I use this to push it down. So from there, I take my stick. As I told you, you gotta leave a space at the top. That's why you're gonna put your silicone. So you see how it is? How nice?
Yeah.
So this one you push it too, if you can push it. If you cannot push it, then yeah.
Oh, sorry, I can't move it.
Yeah. So you see that hole? Trying to cut the insulation always bigger than the hole.
Okay.
You cut it like this, you triple it. See? I use my stick to help me out to get it inside.
Wow.
Get it underneath the clamp. See? I swipe it. This one is hard to move, so I leave it as it is. I'm trying to get my insulation at the back. Then I use my to get this at the back here. I put as much as I can put there. Always trying to get it underneath the clamp. Yeah. See how nice it is?
Yeah.
So when you come, you pour your silicone, so it's gonna be nice and level.
Wow.
So go and practice that, okay?
Okay.
Good luck.
I'll try to do this.
I'll show you the same over here too.
Okay.
You see this one can move a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, so the whole solar is too big. I just take a little bit outside. See how I put it down?
What do you think about moving down? Just dropping that guy right on top.
If you want to sweep it, just do it like this. If you don't have a brush. Come here. You see, always I'm underneath the clamp. See? I'm underneath this one here. So when I pour my silicone, you come and touch here, a little bit above this.
Okay.
Yeah. So always you gotta pack it like this.
Okay. Under
Yeah, okay. See? This one I cannot get it back there. So I'm trying to hold it with my hand.